Hello everyone, welcome to the 6th class of tense masterclass. Today we're gonna discuss about the past continuous tense, its all uses, structures, formations, examples and all about itself. The past continuous tense is also called the past progressive tense. This is a series going on of a whole tense chapter. In the previous videos, we have talked about the all parts of present tense and we have discussed about the simple past tense also. I will give link in the cards, check from there, okay? This class is the part of series to help you to learn all the types of tenses step by step. So are you ready? Let's get started the video. Okay, the past continuous tense is used quite often in English. I will explain you what this tense exactly is and when and how to use it in sentences. And for this, you need to watch the full video till the end and listen to me very carefully. I will clear your all doubts regarding this tense, okay? So, when we are explaining something in English about the past, there are two basic tenses. Number one, that is the past tense, and number two, that is the past continuous tense. We have discussed the simple past tense in the previous video. So now let's talk about the past continuous tense today. So the past continuous tense, this is a form of tense, indicates activities that have already happened in the past and have been completed before the time of mention, okay? Now let's see the following examples. For past tense, a sentence will be I walked or he walked or they walked, okay? But for past continuous tense, that becomes I was walking, he was walking, they were walking, okay? So what's the difference between past tense and past continuous tense? When we are using the simple past tense, we are referring something that happened at a time and that has finished in the past, okay? But for the past continuous tense, we are talking about something that continued in the past during a period of time, okay? That means an action which have started in the past and still continuing in the past. The past continuous tense used to express a continued or ongoing action in the past, an ongoing action which occurred in the past and also completed at some point of time in past. It expresses an ongoing nature of action in the past. For example, he was laughing, okay? This sentence shows ongoing action which is laughing of a person which occurred in the past. So that is the basic information of past continuous tense. Now we will learn about the structure of past continuous tense. There will be three kinds of sentences: positive sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. So let us talk about positive one first. In positive sentence, the structure will be subject plus auxiliary verb plus main verb, that is present participle, plus object, okay? So subject plus auxiliary verb, that will be was or were here, plus main verb, that will be first form of verb, plus ing because of it is a continuous tense, plus object. Now just remember one thing: if the subject is he, she, I or it or singular or proper noun, then auxiliary verb was is used, okay? If the subject is you, we, they or plural, then auxiliary verb will be were. For example, she was crying yesterday. She was crying yesterday. Number two, they were climbing on a hill. They were climbing on a hill. Was crying and were climbing, they are the examples of past continuous tense. Next, the structure of negative sentences: subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus main verb, that is present participle, plus object. Subject plus auxiliary verb, that will be was or were, plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, she was not crying yesterday. Next one, they were not climbing on a hill. They were not climbing on a hill, okay? Now moving to the next sentence, interrogative sentences. That structure will be auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb, that is present participle, plus object. Auxiliary verb, that will be was or were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object, okay? Let us see the examples. Was she crying yesterday? Was she crying yesterday? Next one. Were they climbing on a hill? Were they climbing on a hill? Okay. Now I will discuss about the uses of past continuous tense. Uses number 1, that is to denote an action which is going on sometime in the past. Okay. For example, he was listening to the radio all day. He was listening to the radio all day. Next one. She was weeping bitterly. She was weeping bitterly. That means in those following sentences, an action which is going on, which is still continuing in the past. Okay? Number 2 uses with an adverb all that emphasizing continuity and with still that emphasizing duration. For example, it was raining all night. It was raining all night. Here the word all that emphasize continuity of the raining. Okay? Number 2 example, it was still raining when I woke up. It was still raining when I woke up. In this sentence, the word still that emphasizing the duration of the raining. Okay? Uses number 3, that is for persistent habits in the past that used with always and continually. Okay? For example, he was always grumbling. He was always grumbling. The last uses, that is the past continuous tense used in making polite inquiries. Okay? For example, I was wondering if you could help me. I was wondering if you could help me. So I hope I can clear your all doubts regarding the past continuous tense, when to use and also how to use it. You have also learned how to construct sentences with positive, negative and interrogative sentences with past continuous tense. So let's take a quick recap with some more examples. For positive sentence, they were laughing at the joker. They were laughing at the joker. For negative one, they were not laughing at the joker. They were not laughing at the joker. And for the interrogative sentence, that will be, were they laughing at the joker? Were they laughing at the joker? Okay, got my point? And that's the whole lesson of today. I hope that will very helpful for you to understand the tense chapter step by step. So if this video is helpful for you, then give us a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family members who are also willing to learn English. And to practice it a little bit more, I suggest you to write something about your daily events. Try to explain this past continuous tense on your own. That will help you to understand and correct your grammatical errors also. Okay, so our next class will be on the past perfect tense. Get ready for that and keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting more this kind of English learning videos every day. Thanks for watching.